All right, friends, we're going to talk a little bit about a thunderstorm or a rainstorm. And I wonder, how does a rainstorm begin? What do you think? What sounds do you hear? How does it change while it's happening? And how does it end? These are some questions we're going to ask while we're thinking about a musical rainstorm. But first, I want you to get a sheet of paper and some crayons and draw your rainstorm. You can draw a storm kind of like lightning, like you see in the picture, or you can draw a storm that has just a rain coming down, like a rainforest, like you see in this picture. So, whatever you want to do, I want you to draw your rainstorm. Take some time, press pause, draw the storm, and then you can send me a picture if you'd like to my email. You can send it or you can share it with your family members, you could share it with any other teachers, but draw a picture of your rainstorm and then come back because we're going to keep going with our lesson.